My name's Guy. I had a major spinal injury 12 years ago, the result of a scuba diving accident when I was 17, just before my 18th birthday. I woke up in intensive care after a drug-induced 2-day coma. I died twice. I had brain damage when I woke up. I didn't really know who I was or where I was. I was a C7 quadriplegic. I have come a long way in those 12 years. I'm not a quadriplegic anymore. I am an incomplete paraplegic, which is from my waist down. I have a lot of perspective over how far I've come, but I still use a wheelchair and walking sticks to get around. Because of the nature of the accident, I can't scuba dive again. That's something I really miss, being able to explore under the water. We know more about space than we know about what's under the water. But now I can actually dive again with this underwater robot, this underwater drone. The independence of being able to get back under there, not just stay with my cousin and people diving, exploring and adventuring, but I can stay longer, I can go deeper. I feel like I'm right there with them. It's really nice to feel that again.